How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is my final on the Bill Jenkins Grumpy Toys race team. And as you know, they were both MPC kits. Round 2 had reissued both kits, which, well, the truck's not actually, you know, for the Grumpy Toys. It's not correct, but you know, I made it look fairly somewhat similar. You know, I'm not no rivet counter or nothing. This is for my own collection. I could care less if nothing's correct or what's correct. I don't care. This is what I wanted to do, so it's my model. I build it my way. All right, I do what I want, as Cartman would say. I do what I want. Okay, so with that being said, guys, models are for everybody. Models are to be enjoyed. It's fun. When it stops being fun, it's not a hobby. So always have fun. Build the way you want to build. Do what you want to do. It don't matter what the naysayers say. It's your model. Do what you want. Alright, with that being said, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, it's free. Alright, well, here it is, guys. This is it. I'll give it a little walk around here in a second. We'll just move this around. It's so big. Let me get some of the stuff. I got such a nasty workbench, guys. I'm one of the nastiest people as far as workbenches go. Such a small space, and this is where I do everything from this space right here. Alright, guys, you can see right here. Bring this thing around, let you get all the different sides. And then I'll break them both down individually. And then too, at the end of this video, there will be build pictures, you know, of the builds and stuff. So, or the, you know, but let's break it down first. Let's pull this aside and let's just look at the car. Oh, I bumped the camera, guys. Let me pull this car down, if I can get it off here. Alright. There she is, guys. I stripped the chrome off the wheels. I painted the wheels, put a black wash in the wheels. Those are the kit tires. They come with the white letter Firestone Drag 500s. They come with these decals to do the alternate version like I did. It comes with two different ways you can do it. I did the alternate version. I did the red car with the white top. You can see back here I got the chute on it. If it'll focus. Got the wheelie bars on it. I don't know if you can see down in there. I got the battery over the back wheels. It's wired and plumbed. But you'll see it better in the pictures because the interior you're not going to be able to see now hardly. I got the tack wired. I got the seat belts in it. You're not going to be able to see it until you look at the build pictures. You can see right here. I got the white bumper. I got the aluminum grill. And you can see through the grill. I shaved the grill back. You can see through it. Very simple construction on this kit, really. I mean, you know, and I did the black wash and I did all that. Here's the underneath. You know, very basic, you know, MPC, nothing special like, you know, model kits of today, but you're talking this was 1971, 2, whatever, release, so that's what the technology was back then. Let's pull this hood off here, guys. Wired the engine, nothing special. That's just everything from the kit but the wires. I used this hood scoop. You come with 3 different hood scoop options. This is the one I used for this car. Like I said, it's not the one featured on the box, but like I said in the instructions, there's 3 different. This is the one featured for this combination setup right here. So that's the one I used. Alright, so that's the car. Let's move this over to the side. Hopefully I don't tear it up. Let's check this big old truck out. This is a little bit harder to get in view here. Alright, I shaved the chrome off the top here to make it from a 72 to a 69. I put the 69 grill in it. Now I didn't have the correct bumpers for it. These are still the 72 bumpers, but it don't matter to me. You can see I put screen. I cut that out and put screen behind the grill. I put the mirrors down here because where they had them, they weren't correct for the way they're supposed to look up here, so I put them down here like you would have seen most of them to begin with. Let's see, I got the toolbox. The tools are in it. I got everything, you know, all the tools back there kind of weathered up a little bit. I got this weathered up a little bit, you know. There's nothing in that compartment. Let's see. And I got, you know, a few tools in that compartment right there. I weathered up the wheels a little bit. And then under the bottom, I weathered it up to where it just looks dirty. A little oily, a little dirty. The interior, you're not probably going to be able to see it very good. Just black and red like it had been. Let's see if I can get this hood off here. Let's show you the detail I did under the hood. Oh, there we go. Alright, I wired it. Did the heater hoses, the battery hoses. See if you don't see that very good or not. Just oiled it up. Nothing special. Nothing special at all. Just had fun with this kit. I knew it wasn't going to be correct, but like I said, I don't care for correctness. I just care for what I want to set on my shelf. It's all about me. All about me, guys. Alright, there we go. And I'm sure there's people out there can do a better job than me, and that's fine. That's what it's all about. Everybody can test their own levels and their own skill levels and everything. This was mine. I would recommend the kits. They can get a little frustrating, you know. They are MPC. They're a little bit hard to mess with sometimes. Not the best fitment, not, you know, none of that stuff. You know, it's not to my kit for sure. But very fun build. And I would recommend them. And hope you like it. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.